Hi, I'm Pam Russ with My Florida Dreams. Today we're at 42 Kingsport Avenue, Palmetto, Florida, in Coach House Mobile Home Park. I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this lovely double-wide 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is also turnkey. We're going to start out in the lanai. This home has, it's all screened in, and it has the vinyl windows and Berber carpeting on the floor. This can easily be the vinyl windows closed, and this could be air conditioned. We're going to go into the living room that the lanai opens up to. It's very spacious. Has wood laminate flooring. The dining room has built-in cabinets. It even comes with a set of china. Also has wood laminate flooring. The dining room opens up into the kitchen, which has corian countertops, plenty of cupboard space. Comes with the appliances. Also has a dishwasher, wood laminate floors. We're going to go into the guest bathroom, which has a newly installed stand-up shower. Countertop is corian and handmade cabinets. Spare bedroom has carpeting on the floor. This room easily will hold a queen-size bed. Plenty of closet space. Hall closet. And the master bedroom is very large. It could easily hold a king-size bed. It has built-in dresser, closets, and it also has a master bathroom, vinyl flooring, and it also has a stand-up shower. If you're interested in viewing this lovely home, please give me a call at 734-755-5991. Thank you.